Hi everyone, it's Angela from Cloudfetti, and today I'm sharing how to make a Kawaii Christmas tree out of polymer clay. So to start out, I have a medium-sized ball of light green clay, and I'm rolling one side out into a teardrop shape. And then placing the thicker side down. And gently pressing the tip down and rotating the cone at the same time so that the bottom of it flattens. Then to add some texture, I'm using a needle tool to scratch short lines on the surface, just doing that all around it. And I'm setting that aside. I then have a small ball of gold clay and I'm rolling it out into a thin snake. And also rolling the ends thinner as well. Then wrapping it around the tree. And cutting off the excess with my blade. So now it's time to add the face. So I'm using a dotting tool to poke holes for the eyes to go. And adding in little balls of black. And a tiny little smile. Then for the cheeks, I'm brushing on some pink chalk pastel. Next, I've gone ahead and rolled small balls of red, yellow, green and blue, and I'm placing them under the gold snake. And these will become the lights on the tree. So just doing that all the way around. I've then got a tiny ball of gold clay, and I've gone ahead and made and fully baked a tiny star. And I have a tutorial sharing how to make this, which I'll put a link to in the description box below. And then once it's cooled down completely, I'm then brushing some Bacon Bond onto the top of the tree. And placing the star on top, just so that it sticks to the raw clay. And I'm baking everything using my package's instructions. In the meantime, for the trunk of the tree, I have a small ball of brown clay, and I'm rolling one side out into a teardrop shape, and then pressing it down so that it flattens both ends. And then once the tree has cooled down completely, I'm squeezing some more Bacon Bond onto the bottom of it and placing on the stump and baking everything for a second time. And then to make it nice and shiny, I'm brushing on some UV resin. And that's all for this tutorial. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe for more. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!